Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Ford Ranger locked door only way. Start by confirming the lock type and whether the key fob works, then safely secure the vehicle and prepare your tools. Use a wedge to create a small gap, then insert a long reach tool to manipulate the interior lock or handle. Move deliberately and protect trim to avoid damage. If unsure, stop and call a professional locksmith for assistance. Begin with a wedge to gently open a tiny gap at the top corner of the door, protecting paint and trim with fabric. Slide a long-reach tool through the gap, aiming for the interior unlock switch or door handle linkage. Apply small, steady movements until you hear the lock click or the latch move. Once unlocked, carefully open the door and inspect for any damage from the operation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that changes how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which offers simple, practical guidance on saving and investing with humor and plain language. Check the description for the link and other deals, and you can grab a copy if interested. Now let's get back to the video. If the fob fails, try the physical key or swap the fob battery before forcing entry. That often resolves access issues. When lock rods bind, use light, alternating pressure and small wiggles to free them without snapping components. If anything electrical, airbags, or sensors seem disturbed, pause and seek professional help to avoid costly repairs and safety risks, rather than continuing to force the door open.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.